Hello, my viewers. Are you looking to renovate your kitchen or building a new one? With so many designs and styles to choose from, it can be overwhelming in this concept. We will explore the latest trending kitchen designs from smart kitchen to sustainable kitchens and everything in between. Smart kitchens are the future of cooking. With the rise of smart home technology, kitchens are becoming more high-tech than ever before. Nowadays, everybody wants their kitchen more high-tech, more trending, luxurious and stylish. They want their kitchen to be very high-tech and stylish in terms of space, in terms of gadgets, in terms of technology. Whatever the space you have, it might be a big size space or the lesser one, hardly matters. Everybody wants the luxury with comfort. And when we plan the technology with comfort and sustainability, it makes your kitchen trending. So let's explore more about the smart kitchens or the trending kitchens, so that you can better understand what exactly features we have to plan, we have to manage, and we have to think before planning trending or the smart kitchen. Imagine being able to control the lighting and temperature in your kitchen with just your voice. With smart home devices like Alexa and Google Home, this is now a reality. Yes, it is called the trending kitchen. It is called the trending homes. It is called the trending interior. You can control everything in your fingertips. Smart home appliances such as refrigerators and ovens can be controlled remotely through your smartphones. You can even receive notifications when your food is cooked to perfection. Many smart kitchens now feature touchscreen displays that allows you to access recipes, watch cooking videos, and even video chat with friends and families. Sustainable kitchens are designed with the environment in mind. From eco-friendly materials to energy-efficient appliances, these kitchens are perfect for those who want to reduce their carbon footprints. Well, let's talk about first the countertop. See, there are many finishes available for countertops, but when it comes to countertop, you will have to keep few things in your mind. First, your countertop should look good. It gives the grace to the entire kitchen. It make the kitchen more beautiful. Secondly, price wise, it makes your kitchen more sustainable. Third, it doesn't absorb any color, any paint, any oil. And last but not the least, it makes the cleaning more easy. You must have the various shades and colors to choose from to make your kitchen more trendy and luxurious. Second key point is you must have overhead shelving, but not too high. You have to place your overhead shelving in a medium height. And don't forget to give some covered shelf under overhead storage. It might go for 1 feet or less than a feet, but don't forget to give them as a covered storage with a glass cover. Yes, you can highlight your crockery, or you can highlight your rare use stuffs in putting them. Okay. Last, one more point is don't forget to give hangings below the covered shelving or under the covered shelving. Yes, more hanging means more space. how much hanging space you have. It gives more space to your kitchen. Hardly matters what kitchen size you have. It might be a big or less. Hardly matters. It makes your kitchen more spacious. Next key point is, don't forget to give crockery unit or the taller unit. You can put most of the everything in your kitchen by using this. It doesn't take much space, but it gives much space to your kitchen and makes your kitchen more spacious. You can make your taller unit in glass, in wood, or in metal. All the material makes your kitchen more stylish and trendy. Second thing is, if you have a slightly bigger size, always plan an eye in the center and give the drawers either one side or both sides. Yes, you can have some space as an open shelf, but don't forget to give the shelving on both sides. It makes your kitchen spacious, trending, and more comfortable and more spacious. Never forget to use the strip light or the profile light in drawers or under the overhead storage or under the storage coming in the overhead storage. Not only in the overhead storage, you can use the profile light either your counter splashback or your drawers or your overhead storage. It always makes your kitchen stylish. And also don't forget to use in the ceiling as well. Don't forget to use hanging light too, but a hanging light and the profile light is a combination of very trending kitchen. Try to avoid the shutters under counter. Instead of counter shutters, you can give the drawers under your counter, because it helps you not to bend down much but makes your stuff easier and divide your stuff and segregate by the category. So try to add the drawers instead of the shutters. Always make sure don't use much supple finish, much dull finish. If you want to show your space looks big, so slightly use a shiny material instead of the supple or the dull or the matte finish. Try to put your sink either in the dead corner or in the extreme corner. Not to worry, but always place some shelving for your wet utensils to make your kitchen more hygiene, more clean and comfortable. Always gives drawers under sink space. Earlier we try to put the blank space under the sink area, but nowadays don't forget to give some shelving or the covered shelving under the sink. It makes more spacious. You can put some daily uses things like detergent or any other grocery stuff in the sink area. Yes, and you can plan it wisely, shelving, so that it doesn't make your kitchen messy and makes your kitchen stylish. Last but not the least, try to add some open shelving beside the chimney area. It looks nice and gives a space, and it doesn't make your kitchen dirty at all. I hope you really like the concept. If you like it, don't forget to give me the thumbs up.